Hi YouTube, I hope all is well, and I want to come on here and just share with you my latest purchase. And I bought this purse from the Coach outlet, and I can't remember the price, but I got another Madison. Isn't she pretty? So this is the Coach Madison shoulder bag in signature canvas with rivets and snakeskin. That's a lot. So I carried her today for the first time, and I thought I would come in here and show you what fits in my new bag. Okay, so you know it's leather, black leather here. You have the, it's my dog. You have the snakeskin here. You have the rivets on the front. Oh, well, actually it's all the way around. Isn't that pretty? And the snakeskin is on the bottom, on the sides. So then you have your T-rose here. Let's just open her up. And you have the signature canvas on the front pocket. Okay, so let's just go in here and show you what fits in this bag. Now, I haven't been carrying a whole lot, y'all, because I have shoulder problems now as I'm aging. But okay, let me just show you what fits. See if I can hold her up. There is two compartments. I want to show you that first, the main compartment, I should say, and then it has a zip pocket in the back of that main compartment, and then it has a slip pocket here, which I can tell you what, and then it has a slip pocket here, and I don't put anything in here. Well, there's something in here. So I have some what is these absorbing sheets, you know, if you wear makeup. So that's all I have in there. Now in the front pocket I have my mask. So I usually don't use those pockets, to be honest with you. So let me show you what I have in the main compartment. I just want to make sure you can see everything. There we go. Make sure I'm in the frame. So what fits in the bag? So I have a leaf. I have hand sanitizer, an ink pen, lip balm, and let me see, still have plenty of room here. I have my lippy pouch. I have my Kate Spade wallet. I have my Coach card case. I have business cards I put in here. I have my Louis Vuitton key ring, which I put my work key and my work badge in here. And then I have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So now you can see the inside of the bag right here, and like I said, it has a zip pocket here, and the open flap, it's a thin pocket here. Let me do that. Oh, hold on, it's a big pocket here. You could put your phone in here. You could put your phone in here if you want, and then you have the thin pocket that's on the front, which you can't put much in here, y'all. But again, you can put quite a bit in here, this second pocket. I just don't want to stretch it out too much. So just want to come on here and show you my latest purchase, and then I'm going to fill her back up right quick and just let you see how easy she is to fill up. Okay, so everything's falling on the floor, but that's okay. Nothing's perfect. Let me see. Putting everything back in here neatly, as neat as we can. Okay, I need to take this out. I don't want this to waste, but I'm gonna put it back in here just for the video purpose. Okay, as you can see, everything goes right back in. And she closes right back up. So again, I just wanted to come on here and show you this. You know, this is my dog. This is what I'm using. This was hand painted. I think it matched. And show you the snakeskin. I love that. Look at that. It's pretty. The chain detail. You can wear it crossbody if you like, or you can double it. The T-rose, and like I said, it's two-tone with the Coach signature canvas. So I just want to come on here and show you my new bag. Hope you like it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you who watch my videos. All right, be blessed. Take care.